Have you noticed something strange lately? More and more people are making money, but they don't have a job, no office, no boss, no fixed salary. So what are they doing? And more importantly, how can you do it too? Let me show you. First, understand this. The world has changed. Before, you needed a job to survive. Now, you only need a phone and the internet. That's it. There are people right now making money from their bedrooms, from their phones, even while they are sleeping. Sounds crazy? It's not. Let's talk about the new method people are using. It's called digital leverage. That means using the internet to make money without trading your time directly. Instead of working 8 hours to get paid once, you create something once, and it pays you again and again. Method number 1. Faceless YouTube channels. People are creating videos without showing their face. They use simple voiceovers, stock videos, or even AI. One video can get thousands, even millions of views, and every view equals money. Some channels are making $100, $500, even $1,000 per video, and they stay anonymous. Method number 2. Selling digital products. No shop, no inventory. People create simple things like ebooks, guides, templates, and sell them online. You create it once, and people keep buying it again and again. Method number 3. Affiliate marketing. This one is powerful. You don't create anything. You just promote other people's products. When someone buys using your link, you get a commission. Simple. Method number 4. AI plus content creation. This is the biggest trend right now. People are using AI tools to write scripts, generate videos, create images, and post content daily, fast. More content equals more views. More views equals more money. But here's the truth, nobody tells you. This is not magic. You won't become rich overnight. You need consistency, smart strategy, patience. Most people quit too early. That's why they fail. If you stay consistent, if you learn the system, if you keep improving, you can build income without a job, real income. So the question is, will you keep waiting, or will you start today? If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos like this, because the future is changing fast, and those who understand it early will win.